I think the impact of Bracewell's development programs is that it allows their associates to grow throughout their time in the firm. And these programs, whether they're the boot camps or the mid-level academy or the senior academy, allows you to learn skills that are applicable to your current experience level. I think Bracewell really invests in their attorneys because they want them to grow throughout their time at the firm.
Attending boot camp prepared me for client work because it allowed the presenting partners to talk not only about what happens ideally in a case, but also how those goals are implemented in practice.
Attending boot camps really prepares you for taking on work early in your career. It's right from the beginning, week 2, week 3. They're giving you all this information that you don't learn in law school.
The takeaways were extremely helpful, especially when facing clients, because you were able to recognize the situation and be like, hey, I remember when they told me the client will ask for a signature packet, and here's how to respond to that email, here's how to prepare the signature packet, and here's how to stay on top of things to make sure that you're delivering quality work.
Bracewell has 3 different academy programs. They kind of track your experience level as you grow older in the firm. As a junior, you go through BRS boot camp or litigation boot camp if you're on the litigation side. As a mid-level, you get to go through the mid-level academy, and then as a senior, you go to the senior level academy.
A lot of our job, it requires that you learn by doing it, but other aspects, particularly as it relates to being a mid-level and a senior associate, are things that lend themselves to the classroom. People always say that Bracewell is a very hands-on firm, and the academies really demonstrate that. It's an investment in our training and our development as young lawyers.